Riddick Adventures.
We are at the farm today. We can't wait. This is Ginger.
And this is Buttercup.
And here comes Buttercup.
Let me eat in it.
She's hungry.
Yeah.
We don't feed her.
No.
Here she goes.
You lay down. She's kind of big, huh? For a mini. They're mini Scottish highland cows. And in Scotland they call them coos, not cows.
Hi, cow.
Hi, Buttercup.
Hi.
Do you like them?
Yeah.
They're sweet. They live to be about 10 to
They're babies on the way.
Yeah, those are horsies.
They live to be about 10 to 15 years old, just like dogs.
Look at his horns. Can you point at it? Let's see.
They're big horns.
Wow.
They're little horns.
Mm-hmm.
I got a buzz on them.
Yeah, you gotta shoo them away.
Yes, they
See,
love.
see.
The flies love them. I don't have anything, Mama.
Can you give her some hay? She's hungry.
I'd rather eat me than him. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. We don't eat shirts.
There you go, feed her. There you go.
Ginger likes to lay down and eat. That's her favorite thing.
Gimme.
Seems like a good thing to do.
Yeah, right?
I got my bunny outside.
You
Yeah.
have a bunny?
Mm-hmm.
I have two here. Do you want to visit ours too in a little while?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. What's your bunny's name?
Bunny.
Bunny.
That's what we do here.
Yeah.
They have names that we call
I
them.
hate
Yeah, we just do Bunny.
Cow, bunny.
I like shoes.
Yeah, we have Zeus.
Zeus?
That's his aunt's pit bull dog.
Aw,
Uh-huh.
I love pit bulls.
Yeah. Do you want to pet her? Pet her little nose and her head. She loves it.
And this one's scratching her neck on the wood.
Spider on.
You're gonna do itsy bitsy spider. She likes it.
Oh, you scared her.
Yeah,
She don't like spiders.
She's like, I'll take
Ah.
They're big on the strainer.
Yeah. There she is over there.
She likes to lay down. She's like a lazy cow.
Yeah.
You want to try feed her again? See if she wants a bite.
She says, I will have you around all day.
Let's see. Is she going to take a bite? Let's see. She's chewing away. Oh, I think she just wants to live. She's gentle.
Yeah. They don't bother me.
She does not
No.
mind a hug.
No.
Love at all.
Oh, there she goes. She's biting it.
Do you want fish at all?
At their cabin,
At
what
the
we do.
Gotcha. There's some pretty good fishing out there.
Oh my goodness. She ate some of it.
Ow.
She got tired.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Let's go that house.
We can go see
We can
those
go see
horses.
this. You want to see them? They're baby horses.
I want to go see them.
Okay, knock that off her nose where she don't have it on her nose. Give her a hug bye. There you go.
We can come back and see her too.
Yeah.
All right, let's go see some baby horses. Uh-huh.
Patch is the mini donkey baby. He's a donkey baby. He gets shy. Hi.
He wants to be petted. Pet him. He's like, are you going to feed me or what?
Here comes
I can't.
Onyx.
I have it.
Yeah. I don't know if she'll eat it.
He wants to play. He just wants to play with you. And this is Onyx. Yeah, okay. I'll get him. Back up a little bit, sweetie.
There you go. See the baby horsey? Oh. What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah?
He got two hairs.
Yeah, he's got like a mohawk spike.
He's got a cool hairstyle.
Uh-huh.
Shoot.
Yeah, get the flies off.
And knock it down.
Yeah. There you go.
Let's put food in.
Okay.
He's like a toddler. He's always getting something this one.
Let's put leaves in.
Oh, well, I don't think they eat leaves. I think they eat hay. Let's go see if let's go over there where they're at. Let's see what they're gonna eat.
The white one's name is Marshmallow, and the black one is Onyx.
Which one do you want to touch? The black one or the white one?
That big one.
That one's called Marshmallows. You love marshmallows.
Marshmallow is being trained to pull a buggy soon.
Oh.
There's something.
Oh,
It
ducks.
was him.
Him.
Oh, okay.
These two were rescued.
Wasn't Bill. That was a little one.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were rescued. They used to be really skinny because they didn't have enough food in their house that they were at, and so we got them some food, and now they're round.
I put food in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, now they won't be hungry. Thank you for that.
They're eating up. This is their breakfast.
Yeah, I got red today.
Do you think you could eat this for breakfast?
Yeah.
No. That'd be gross.
Bill, most hit my dick.
Yeah, he's trying to see what it is. He's never seen one before.
You know what? He doesn't normally let people pet him like that too, so he must really like you. You have a way with horses, huh? You must have some cowboy in you.
I ruined my cowboy hat on it.
Yeah.
Oh,
You
I
left it at
know.
home.
Yeah.
We forgot our cowboy hat.
they're duck.
We've got ducks
Uh-huh.
and geese and all kinds of stuff.
I like geese.
Yeah, you like the geese when they fly. You want to do some bunnies? Let's go check bunnies out.
So,
Oh my
I
goodness.
touched on my ears.
Yeah.
I touched on ears.
they
Yeah.
like the ears rubbed for sure.
These are some big bunnies. See their little noses?
One hiding.
Yeah.
Girls,
Come out.
they're sisters.
I pick them
Here
out.
she comes. Be
She's a little
careful.
heavier than she is.
I was gonna say, she looks heavy.
She's our booty. She gives me a look if I don't feed her right away in the kitchen. It's like kind of a death stare.
That's funny.
She's like, don't even touch that. I'll make her eat. My
I like
breakfast first.
Stop.
Bellini's like our bunny loaf. Like you can't tell she has feet a lot of the time.
Pet her back. Be gentle. Pet her back. Thank you.
That one actually looks like
Oh. These are a lot bigger than your bunny.
Yeah.
Mhm.
My bunny goes this big.
really.
He's about the same coloring as the white one
As
right
the
there.
white one?
Mm-hmm.
I
Yeah.
think they're called English spots.
Okay.
And this one's a silver fox. It's
Okay.
got that silver
Yeah.
but-
That's funny. That's a good name too.
Yeah.
It won't go out.
Yeah.
Bunny won't go out.
He thought about going out.
Go.
She's being shy today.
Mm-hmm.
She's used to putting on a show for everybody.
Pet her little face.
Those big eyes.
Uh-huh. Oh, that's sweet.
A lady donated a stroller for us so we could maybe join Happy Tails and go into the
Yeah,
show.
yeah.
It's so fun to bring the bunnies in there.
They're juice.
I brought you one in case you're thirsty.
I got what?
You got lots.
Yeah.
That one's soft.
Yeah.
So you do karate?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, watch out. It's got lethal hands.
Yeah. This one got no leaf pads.
Not no lethal hands. She only has her white belt. Is that the first one?
What?
Yeah.
White belt, yeah.
Look,
And
I got brown on here.
Yeah.
Yes.
This one's white and brown.
What belt do you wear in karate? What color?
Red.
Red.
Yeah.
No, but he is in 2 weeks gonna do his
I got
first
what? I
competition.
got this.
Oh, that's awesome.
And if he wins the competition, he gets a white and yellow belt.
Yeah.
So-
I brought
Yeah.
this.
You burned that?
No, I'm.
Oh, in karate?
Yeah.
Oh, did you chop a board?
Mm-hmm.
How you?
I do.
Yep.
Did it go?
Yeah, I do.
Wow.
Do baby score.
Uh-oh, bunny, get back here. Get back here. Come here, bunny. Go back. Go back.
Come back.
I figured she'd be so distracted she wouldn't even notice. I just had these built for a little event.
I got
These are perfect, yeah.
Yeah, we will. They can fit together and everything.
I stop them.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
you can be the guardian. Well, you can enjoy them. And whenever
like
you're
them.
ready for the next thing, I can bring my.
Be gentle, be gentle. Be gentle. Love on them.
Look at her, she's climbing up. Aww,
I like
so
them.
snuggly.
I am facing there.
Yeah. He wants snuggles.
It's like yin yang.
I want.
Which one is the softest? That
The
one?
white one for sure.
Which one do you think's the nicest? The white one? Which
White
one's
one.
ears are bigger, do you think?
This one.
Oh,
This one goes this.
yeah. She got straight up ears.
I'm bigger. This.
Mm-hmm. She's probably taller than you if she had
I want to get
stand.
my car.
Yeah? You going to show her your car?
The car.
She'll probably smell it.
I got my car.
Is that Lightning McQueen on your shirt too?
Yeah.
Man.
Got it? Oh, that got her attention. She might like it.
Pretty cool.
A driver.
It's the mountain rabbit.
Ah. I got him.
Stick her head down there.
Oh.
I think Mojito matches the
Uh-huh.
bed, huh?
What's that?
That's
That's
the
the air.
conditioner.
I got one engine.
Yeah.
I want to. Let's do it.
He's going to hide your car with his ears.
Yeah, let's do it. I need help. I need help.
Hey, don't hit Bunny.
I'm going to jump.
No. Gentle. Put car beside him. There you
I
go.
want to do 2 wheels.
Okay. She might try, well, he may try to take a nap in a minute. He's sleepy. He keeps trying to hide.
Yeah, they want to hide in the grass.
Mm-hmm.
They like to dig a hole.
Yeah.
That's what they like to live
This
in.
one they cars. And do.
And they make a little bedroom in there.
Yeah.
See, Moon's horse is exactly the same.
Okay.
Like, oh my goodness.
Hi, puppy. Hi.
Troll.
You want to sit, girls? Sit. You want to sit?
Want to sit?
Sit.
She's like, it's too much going on.
Sit. And
Too
you don't have
much.
treats on, that's why.
Oh, come here. Let me fix it. You got something on your eye.
Oh, she likes your car. She's looking at it.
Oh.
What's that?
Probably, I'll keep her away from it because she will probably play with it.
Uh-huh. She's crying. She wants you to love on her.
Oh no, she's.
Oh, there you go. Oh, good job.
You got one dog.
Yeah.
Yes, we have 2 more upstairs, but they're just a little
These are
wild.
sweet dogs.
These are really sweet. The other ones are sweet.
Did he lick your eye?
Puppy love.
Oh, that's cute.
I'm going to play on him.
Yeah, they do.
They wrestle like sisters do. They like WrestleMania. It's pretty crazy.
I think.
Well, I don't know if she'll like that. She's heavy.
Did you know that these doggies sit on a metal swing with me and they take a nap on a swing? They're crazy. Not many dogs like to get on something that moves. Now she's on top of her sister.
What's she doing? What's she doing? Oh my goodness. Hi.
I get top on her. I get top.
Well, she's going to sit on her. She's going to squish her.
Yeah.
She wants to wrestle.
Yes.
Who you think would win in the wrestle?
This one.
That one?
Yeah.
Yeah, she might win.
She's the boss. This other one, she's got some big feet. That's
Clumsy.
Yeah, no, get my
I call
car.
her Miss McGee.
I need mine.
Here, I'll hold it. I'll hold
She's
it.
looking at it.
That one.
Whoa.
My Nelly boo boo.
Alexis says I'm really nice, but looks like I'm not.
Oh, she's like, where'd it go? Where'd it go? No running, no running. Don't run. That makes them want to run. Oh, look how pretty the horses are.
No, don't frighten me.
Oh, no. You want me to put them up? I can put them up. No
Hi, puppy.
I put.
Look how big these horses are.
This one is Star.
Ryan, hold him up where he can pet him.
He was my husband's horse. And you want to give him
Okay.
a treat? The brown one does not have teeth, so you could give him a treat at like this, like flat hand.
Oh.
Don't eat it.
Oh no, he ate
I
it.
will not miss it because he really likes his teeth.
You want to feed the brown one a treat?
His name is Sparky, and he's just gonna.
Nope, the other one, the other one. There you go.
Flat hands? Flat hands. He doesn't have teeth though, so
There
he
you
won't
go.
bite you. He's just gonna lick on you.
There you go. Uh-oh. Oh
Here.
Stop eating those treats.
no.
You want to try another time?
Try one more time.
What's that? This one's over.
And have your hand flat like this.
Watch what I do with him.
Flat,
Flat, flat.
flat, flat, flat. There you go. Oh.
He has to push on it so you can push it up into his mouth a little bit. You want to try?
Hey.
Yeah, try.
Yeah, of course. And I want to show you.
Reagan's gonna try.
Bingo, okay. Good job. See? He did it flat. Watch what Bingo does. Bingo. Look at his side eye.
That's funny.
Watch this. Come here, buddy. Look at his lips, buddy.
Come here. Riddick, look at the baby horse.
This is Bingo.
What is this?
Bingo. Look at his eye. Look at his eyes. Can you see it? You want to give him one like that? You can stick it right through the little
Don't
fence.
want.
Well, we don't want to feed the dogs.
No,
We want to feed the
they don't
horsies.
need any- They can have them, but it's like the horses would like them a little. They're getting all the leftovers anyway, huh? You want to give that one to Bingo? You can put it right through there. Just let him grab it. Try another one.
Shit. He's like, dang. That was a smart idea. That was smart.
Donald got it.
Do you want to give Dee Dee? That's the girl. Dee Dee might want if you want to give.
There's a car in there.
Yeah.
Car.
Yes, it's like a hay cart.
Let's feed that baby one.
You want to do it? Okay.
Put it up there and let his lips.
Put him to his lips so he can get it. The other horses, he don't see it. Point to it. The dog. Look how he's like, I'm going to get this. Look, let's get it. Here. Watch out. Here. Try do it again. Put it to his mouth.
Then the dog won't get it.
There you go. Look, right here. Right here. The dog will get it. There you go. Oh, here, I got it. Do it again. Hurry. There you go. Yes. Oh, so close.
That's fun.
Those crazy dogs.
Make sure he gets it. Oh, so close.
Oh,
That dog's gonna be full in a minute.
And lots of time.
yeah.
There.
Oh.
We got to get one treat in that boy's belly.
Try. Oh, yes.
I
You got it. Good job. Hard to find it.
I got it. Hey, dog. I got it.
Okay. Oh, who's gonna get it? Who's gonna get it? Oh. Oh, the black one got it.
Get it at me.
Look, he's chewing on it. Here, let me see it. Let me see it. Here,
Thanks.
look. Whoa, Reagan, watch out.
Get it. Okay.
Here's some horses, guys.
I want
Hi.
more.
Reagan's petting them. Oh,
Hey, dog.
which one do you like, Reagan?
One block.
The black one? Look, he's only got one ear.
I got dogs over here.
He's only got one ear.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
For what? My dog's here.
Yeah. Hi.
Come
Hi,
over
horsey.
here.
What is it?
Look.
Oh, he's a sweet puppy.
I got my doll.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like my favorite one.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, see if he can do it. Oh, let's see.
Good.
She's like, oh yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, we're missing one. Where's the black one? There you go. There she goes. There she goes. Oh, she's gonna get the other ball. She's gonna throw it. Oh, see if you can catch it.
That's fun.
There she goes. She did a whole circle. She did a donut.
Hey, there one.
Mm-hmm. Oh, she's pooping. Dog pooping, guys.
What are we doing there, sweet girl?
Hiya! There she goes.
I get it. I
All right, go get it. Tell her no. Tell her no.
will. No, no.
There you go. Oh. Say no, 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 no. No, no, no.
This one, my nice one.
Yeah, this was nice. Here, hug her one more time. I want to see.
She's so lovely.
Aww. Put a hand around. Oh, that's so sweet. That's so sweet.
And they lick you. It feels like sandpaper.
She wants more hugs. Oh.
I got big horns.
Yeah, she does have big horns.
This one don't.
They're just relaxing. They're taking a nap.
I stand up.
Yeah.
Baby one and Big Daddy.
Yeah.
And baby one and the Big Daddy.
Yeah.
Stand up.
Uh-huh.
There's two
Two? Yeah.
that I stand up.
Yeah. Look how soft their hair is. Their hair looks like your hair. They got crazy
A
hair.
little bit crazy in the morning.
Yeah, they got crazy hair like you get. Look at, you see her eye?
Yeah.
Let me see. No, you're good.
I see them right.
You see her eye? There you go. Hug them up. Oh. He's like, give me some love. Give me a kiss. Give me love. There you go. Good job. Well, don't run away so fast. She just wanted a kiss too. Sit in between them real quick. Sit in between them.
One on each
Here,
side.
go right here. Go right here. Sit right here in the middle. Oh, you gonna sit on the side? Okay, come closer though, where I can see you. Come closer. There you go. Perfect. There you go. Oh my goodness. Give him a good hug. Oh, there you go. Put two hands on him. There you go. Go around like this. Go around his neck. There you go. There you go. Oh, that's sweet. That's so sweet. Oh, put your head on them. Let's see. Oh my goodness. These are cuddle cows. Cuddle cows.